Well, hello, and happy Thursday. One more day till Friday or Friday Eve, as some people call it. It is Cecilia here with day 3 of why you are struggling in your network marketing business and how to stop the struggle and get to success. All these tips I've been giving you this week come from an article I read from Big Income Paradise. If you want to check them out, go to bigincomeparadise.com. So, with that being said, today's topic is all about targeting the wrong audience. If you are talking to the wrong people, you're going to be struggling in your network marketing business. It's not true. Everybody is not your prospect. I don't care if you sell toothpaste. Everybody is not your prospect. Why? Because some people put their teeth in a jar at night. Babies don't have teeth. There could be a number of reasons. Some people don't like toothpaste. I have a friend who has a charcoal thing that she does instead of toothpaste. So again, everybody is not your client. It's like trying to sell a hamburger to a vegan if you're talking to the wrong person. It's just not going to happen. Those who don't know me, my name is Cecilia Morris. I am known as the digital marketing maven. And last week I celebrated 5 years of being successfully unemployed. I did it all with Facebook ads. And in October of last year, I rejoined the network marketing space after being out for almost 7 years, because I found the right combination of products, compensation plan, marketing support, and a great company. So with that being said, let's get into today's topic, targeting the wrong audience. Now, when you're thinking about who you're talking to, think about what your offer is, right? So if you're in the health and wellness space, like for instance, I'm going to just say the name of a company randomly that comes to the top of my head, Melaleuca. Melaleuca has about 4,672 products, right? When you want to talk to somebody about Melaleuca, you can't talk about all 4,672 products. You need to talk about the one product that makes a difference for you. When I was using Melaleuca, their one product for me was their Renew Lotion. Their Renew Lotion was so good to me because it moisturized well, it was non-greasy, and it stayed on even after hand washing. I mean, if I wash my hands 25 times, yeah, I'm going to need some more lotion. But just after a hand washing, from using the bathroom lotion, I'm still soft and subtle. I didn't have to reapply. So with that being said, that was the one product that I wanted to focus on when I was a member of Melaleuca. So you got to find that one product in your company that you want to focus on, and that needs to be the thing you talk about. So I gave you some examples. I guess, was it yesterday? Or no, it was might have been yesterday. Maybe. Anywho, we were talking about business skills. I told you how one of the things I teach my clients is your message matters. It's not what you say, but how you say it. Oh, and before if you are watching me live, say hello. If you're watching replay, drop a hashtag replay. So what I teach my clients again is it's not what you say, but how you say it. In the world of network marketing and in the world of Facebook ads, you cannot say like make money online or, get $500 to $1,000 in your next 30 days. You can say that on your post and on your page, but you can't say that in an ad. And then most network companies don't like you to do any advertising selling false information. You can't can't give money claims or anything like that. And then I talked about if you are with a network marketing company and you do have a product that you like, love, whatever, you don't want to be an online commercial for that product. And it was for 2 reasons. One, because then, you know what, I'm not even recording. I hate when I do that. One, because you become branded in that space. And what happens if you and your company break up? And 2, because you give people an opportunity to prejudge you before you even get a chance to tell them how amazing you are and how amazing the company's products are. So with that being said, let's talk. Once you know the product that you're going to offer, what does the product help? Again, everybody is not the right answer. It's who do you want to serve with your product in your audience. So for instance, again, with me and my network marketing company, it's all about biohacking. And the people that me and my upline want to serve, we want to serve women who want to perform at their best every single day, even with the obstacles that life throws at them. And our products help them with that, and it's all natural biohacking. So that's who we want to serve. Again, women who are looking for all natural ways to improve their health and well-being. Who do you want to serve with your product? So you got to get really clear on the person you want to serve, the problem they have, the solution you provide, and the transformation that they're going to get. This is all of what I teach in my 3-day workshop. So I'm going to share something with you that I share in my workshop. So I'm going to do a screen share so you can see how this works. So the first screen share I'm going to do, I am going to share my avatar for my ideal client in my network marketing business. Now, let's be clear as well. You've got to get specific on who it is you're talking to. You probably heard the word, who's your custom avatar? I call it my Jack or Diane. But you want to be specific about who you talk to. And when I read you my avatar, you're going to see exactly why. So without further ado, let me share my screen so you can see my network marketing avatar. And then let me make sure you can see my screen. All right, I think you can. Let me double check in the land of Facebook. Let me make sure you can see my screen. Yes, you can. All right. Wait a minute. Oh, because I'm sharing this again. So let me go back. All right. So here is my avatar. And my avatar is Diane. She is a single mom with 2 kids in high school. She works outside the home as a mortgage lender and has a part-time cleaning business. Even with child support, Diane struggles to give her children all of their needs and some of their wants. She was recently introduced to network marketing, but with her job and her business, she doesn't have the time to do the prospecting and recruiting taught by her upline. The problem Jack and Diane has is her network marketing business has turned into a money pit. Diane wants to find a way to automate her recruiting efforts, but her company and her upline don't offer this kind of training. Her friends and family don't want to hear about her business. They have no interest in joining her business or consistently using her company products. She constantly posts about her company and her products on social media, but she's not getting any takers there either. And she's not even sure she's doing the social media piece right because she doesn't have any examples to follow. Solution that I provide Diane is I will teach Diane how to identify her ideal clients so she knows the type of people she wants to attract and do business with. I will give Diane a content strategy so she can post info on her social sites that will get the attention of her ideal client. Instead of being an unpaid advertiser for a company, I will help her create an irresistible offer and teach her how to use Facebook ads to share that offer with her target audience so she can automate her business. Transformation, which is so important because you got to tell people, I'm going to take you from A to B. I'm going to take you from this life you don't want to the life you do want. So the transformation Jack and Diane will get, or Jack Diane in this case, will get is she will fill up her inbox with people that ask for an irresistible offer. She will have an email list of people that she can both nurture and entice to buy her products, join her business, or both. With the money Diane makes from her network marketing business, she will hire people to work her cleaning business while she gets more cleaning contracts. Ultimately, Diane will leave her job as a mortgage lender, be the boss of her own cleaning business full-time, and use her newfound freedom to travel and spend time with their kids before they head out to college without worrying about how to pay for their education. All right. So, do you see how you really need to do a deep dive into your Jack and Diane? Hey, Vicki, how are you? Because how many Dianes do you know out there, right? How many single moms with 2 kids, maybe in high school, maybe in middle school, maybe in grade school, whatever, how many single moms with 2 kids do you know that are working 2 jobs? You know what I'm saying? And when you write your message for your Jack or Diane, you are writing to every Jack or Diane out there. So that's why it is so critical to get clear on 1, what you have to offer, and 2, who the hell are you talking to? So if you can do that, then you are well on your way to getting off the struggle bus in your business. So some of the things to think about, again, if you go back and rewind this and watch my Jack and Diane story. I said she's a single mom, 2 kids, she's got a job, she's got a business on the side, she got into network marketing, her upline's not teaching her any useful skills, she's posting on social, but she doesn't even know if she's doing that right because she's not getting any feedback. So those are the kind of things that you want to know about your ideal client, because you need to know their pain points, right? What is it that keeps them up at night? What is it that has them worried about their next move? And then you need to know, what do they want, right? Because if you can talk to their pain points, then you also have to talk about what they want, right? The desires that they have. Because again, you got to prove to them that you got that hot sauce in your bag. You got to prove to them that you can take them from the life they have to the life that they want. So that, my friends, is my message today on targeting the wrong audience. Tomorrow is going to be about, look, I got to check my notes here. Tomorrow's our last day, by the way. So while I'm looking at my notes for tomorrow. So if you are in a network marketing business and you love the company, you love the products, but your upline is not teaching you digital marketing skills, then I invite you to join my Facebook group, Easy Facebook Ad Strategies for Network Marketers. I teach clients how to build their brand and business online using digital marketing strategies and a $5 a day ad training. So with that, you can be a part of this group. You can learn real marketing skills so you don't feel like a sleazy, slimy salesperson every time you talk to somebody about your products. Again, that group is Easy Facebook Ad Strategies for Network Marketers, or you can just type in group in the comments and I'll send you the link. If you are with your network marketing company and you are not passionate about those products, I got to share the story. So I was talking to a lady the other day. She was telling me in her network marketing, you can bring people in, like you can invite people to look at your company and look at their products and all that other stuff, and you invite them in for free. If they upgrade, it's $49, and then it's $9.95 a month to stay as part of the company. And so I asked, I said, well, when you're targeting people, are you leading with the products? Are you leading with the business? And she said she's leading with the business. So I just had to ask, how many people you need to bring in knowing that after they pay $49, you're only going to get commissions from their $9.95 a month? How many people do you have to bring in knowing you're getting commissions at $9.95 a month to make a livable income? How about just to make $500, right? So if you're in one of those companies where you're like, about their products, about their compensation plan, about their marketing training. I mean, if you're not married to your network marketing company is what I'm trying to say, then type company in the comments and I'll share with you the amazing company that I locked arms with back in October. I've ranked advanced twice. I've already bought 2 new people on for the month of March, and I've been doing it all passively because my bread and butter is teaching Facebook ads to business owners and network marketers. But type company in the comments and I'll introduce you to a company that has consumable products, meaning you will not be left with a pantry full of products that you can't even give away at the end of 30 days. We do not have an auto ship requirement. We have an amazing company who is doing great things. And we have a great marketing system because it's me, right? The girl who's been unemployed for 5 years and did it all with Facebook ads. If that's something you want to find out more about, type company in the comments and I will get that information over to you. All right. So that again is it for today's lesson. It's all about targeting the right audience. If you want marketing skills, type group. If you want to learn about my company, type company. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about how to be consistent and how to make connections every single day. So if you suffer with consistency and connections, tune in tomorrow. It will be our last live in the series. And drop me some love. Let me know you got some value from this. And I will do this again sometime in the very near future. But for now, I'll just see you tomorrow. It is Cecilia, the Digital Marketing Maven. Have a great day on purpose. Bye for now.